пушечки напрягаются. Раз, два. Видите, какой я Геракл?
People do the craziest things on TikTok. Let's take a look at some of them and react.
So I got this thing on Amazon. It's like an ab maker, but this is what I look like right now, and I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it does. Oh! Okay. Oh! Okay. Huh. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Don't purchase this.
So this device appears to be riding on the coattails of a real procedure called Emsculpt. Emsculpt is an actual medical device that non-invasively stimulates your ab muscles to contract 20,000 times over a half-hour session. And you can get actually a better six-pack out of that treatment. It's been based off of many, many years of scientific research, or you could buy this on Amazon.
My sister got a wax pot and she's going to wax my nose. Wait,
I just need to stick it up your nose. It has to sit for a while.
Okay. Is it gonna burn?
No, you're fine.
Hot!
It's
Is it in far enough? Push it in.
I don't want to poke your brain.
Oh. Okay.
Don't pull your head back.
Okay. Ow! That's hot as frick! Ow! My eye is watering. Is it ready? Don't freaking pull it.
I won't.
Ow!
Try.
It's oh my gosh. Okay, go.
Keep your head
go.
steady.
Okay. Kayla! Oh! I think the inside of my nose came out. I can't get out. I can't get out. I'm scared.
You want me?
Oh my gosh, this was so funny. It is not a good idea to wax the inside of your nose. You've got mucosa inside there, and if you put hot wax there, you can literally strip the inside mucosa off. You start ripping that nose hair out, you start ripping out your mucosa, you can put yourself at risk for infections and even a lot more. But I don't think that that Q-tip would have gone all the way up to her brain.
Testing this Korean exfoliating towel that TikTok made me buy. When I tell you I started rubbing and instantly skin started peeling off, oh my god, I felt like a shedding reptile. I could make a mini-me from the amount of skin that came off, but oh my god, look how smooth!
I love this one because this takes me back to growing up in a traditional Korean household where my parents bought these rough sandpaper-like washcloths from the Korean grocery store and would take them home and they would rub our skin with it. And by the end of a bath, there'd be this huge ring around the tub of dead skin. But your skin feels so soft afterwards, it is so satisfying. The Koreans, we know our skincare.
So I heard Madison Beer bought one of these things to shape her nose, so I bought one of these things to shape my nose. And before you ask, yes, I would jump off a bridge if she did.
These types of bizarre facial reshaping devices are all over TikTok. They just don't work. Now, is it possible to reshape cartilage of the nose? Theoretically, it is, but it's only possible when you are super young, like in utero or right after you're born. When you're this age, when you're a teenager or in your early 20s, it's too late. Wearing a clothespin on your nose isn't going to do anything except prevent you from breathing through your nose.
Смотрите, как эти пушечки напрягаются. Раз, два. Видите, какой я Геракл? Учитесь.
This gentleman has become very famous because of his Popeye arms. You could see he's got these massive biceps. Are they natural? The answer is no. It's believed that he has had injections of a type of oil called synthol potentially into his arms. And this is extremely, extremely dangerous. That oil can get infected, you could get sinus tracts, you can get abscesses, and you can even die from these types of injections. The other thing is you're watching him and he's doing these types of pull-ups. Just because you've got big arms doesn't mean that that translates to arm strength. he's basically the same strength, maybe even weaker because he may have damaged that muscle from those injections.
One of my goals in my life is to get silicone breast implants so I could be really hot in my 30s. And then when I die, I want to be cremated. So my body turns into ash, my implants melt, and I turn into sentimental slime for my grandkids to play with. It's the gift that keeps on.
This one is so bizarre. I hope she's not being serious. I get a lot of people on TikTok, of all places, ask me, what happens if you have breast implants and you die and then you get cremated? When you get cremated, then does the implant melt into this sentimental slime? The answer is no. If you die and you have implants, typically the implants are removed from your body and they are disposed of prior to cremating you. Sorry, no sentimental slime here.
How to get a cute nose with zero plastic surgery. Number one, you're beautiful, you do not need anything, but you know, we all got our insecurities. So if you really don't like your nose and you think a minor tweak would make you feel a lot more confident, keep watching. As you can see, I kind of have a hump on my nose and it's gotten so much better because of these exercises, like no cap. So basically, gently lift your nose like this and then flare your nostrils 15 times a day. And you really will see results. I mean, my nose is just so much cuter than it was whenever I started. Like when I smile, you can like see my nostrils, and I don't know, I just really like that, so.
I have no doubt that she believes she's seeing changes, but this is really odd. No cap, I don't think this works at all. Just flaring your nostrils and holding your nose up isn't really gonna do a whole lot except maybe strengthening your nasal ali muscles, but other than that, you're gonna look the same afterward. No cap.
Here's me enjoying life using a pore vacuum, having so much fun, obviously not using it properly. Then I realized what I did. This is when I woke up in the morning, my face all bruised, another picture of my face being all bruised. I just dropped the light on my foot! Anyways, I have makeup on right now, so I'm gonna take it off and show you. You can kind of see them. Yeah, they're kind of going away, but be smart.
Oh, Dixie, why'd you do that? I like Dixie and Charli D'Amelio. I think that they're so wholesome, and I'm so happy for their successes. This is a pore vacuum, and dermatologists around the country in general are in agreement that they're not a good idea. And essentially what you're doing is you're putting this vacuum on your skin to try to suck out blackheads. The problem is that you can create other types of damage in addition to getting rid of those blackheads, which isn't that big of a deal. You can create telangiectasias, which are broken blood vessels that never truly go away unless you laser them away. As you can see with Dixie here, she created a lot of bruising on her skin, and that bruising can take a couple weeks to get rid of as well. So I don't recommend using pore vacuums. I think that Dixie here, I'm glad that she did it so she can show people that this is not a good idea.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Did you like these reactions to TikTok videos? If you did, please leave me a comment and let me know, and I'm happy to do some more. Not only are there a lot of funny plastic surgery related videos, there are also a lot of funny plastic surgery related memes. And I react on this video to a number of them that I think are gonna crack you up. Take a peek at it. And remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and always consider plastic surgery as a last resort.